Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the back loop half double crochet. It's a great variation of the regular half double crochet and is crocheted in the back loop only. In a regular crochet stitch, you will insert a crochet hook under two loops, like so, and the one closest to you is the front loop and the one furthest away is the back loop. And in this case, we're going to insert a crochet hook into the back loop only. So I'm inserting into the back loop, pulling up a loop, then yarn over and go through the 3 loops you have on the crochet hook. So start with a yarn over, insert a crochet hook into the back loop only, then pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet hook. Let's do another one, yarn over, insert the crochet hook into the back loop only, so you can see the loop furthest away from you. Then pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over, insert a crochet hook into the back loop only and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all 3 loops on the crochet hook. And you can see how it creates a texture and a line. And this is how you crochet the back loop single crochet. Thank you so much for watching.